warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everybody reply to the salam. Say your name.
My name is Shaktiya.
You are from which year?
Reception.
Wow, you see, he's understanding. He understands English, huh? I'm asking him and he is replying, mashallah. Okay, now what do you want to say? Apni ki bolte chan? What do you want to say?
I want to say how to catch fish.
Ooh, how to catch fish. Mashallah. Yes.
We take a rod or a net. Then we stuck the food in the net or the rod. And then we put it on the rod or the net in the river. The net or the rod like this. And we see the update and see what fish we got.
Mashallah, mashallah. Excellent, Mumtaz. Everybody say loudly, Mumtaz. Mashallah, excellent, dear. So, you are from year 1, right? Oh, reception. So, how many friends you have?
I have
Can you say the names of your friends? Some names.
yes.
Say the names.
Sigatullah.
Sigatullah, are you here? Sigatullah, where are you? Can I see you? Oh, assalamu alaikum. And then Ayman. Are you here, Ayman? Ayman. Okay, good. Then
Aisha.
Aisha. Oh, you are Aisha. Mashallah. Then
Jinan.
Jinan. Say, show your hand, Jinan. Good. Then any other friends?
Takrim.
Takrim, are you here, Takrim? Okay, so I forgot your name. Sorry. What's your name?
Isketian bin Shahriya.
What should I call you? Tiham? Tihami. Okay, so Tihami, you speak good in English, okay? You speak good English. So from now, it's your responsibility to teach English to your friends. Can you?
Yes.
So now you need to give me words that from now you will speak English with all of your friends. Okay?
Okay.
Say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay. Jazakallahu khairan.